This is Secretary Sean Wilson, and this is a very special transportation talk. The reason it's special is I'm on vacation celebrating my 25th anniversary, but there's some really good news that just was released in Louisiana. We have received another INFRA grant, ladies and gentlemen, and this is a major grant this time. It's about $135 million to finish the LA1 connector down in Fourchon, Louisiana. We're so very excited about it, and there's some folks that I think it's important for us to think and to share with this announcement. First, I want to thank the governor and the legislature for making the $150 million from the BP settlement available to us to be competitive. Then I'd like to thank our congressional delegation, Congressman Scalise and others who were in the delegation that have worked on this project in the recent years, as well as those who have spent a lot of time in their entire careers, perhaps, working to deliver this project. And then there's the legislature, Louisiana's House and Senate, that ideally came up with this new innovative idea to come up with the BP settlement dollars to provide this $150 million. Partners that we've had on this include the LA1 Coalition, the parish, the Port Fourchon, a number of folks in South Louisiana, many of them who are financial contributors to this successful application that we have. And last, but certainly not least, I want to thank the folks at the department, both the private sector folks who worked with us, as well as those in the department that helped make this possible. You should know that these competitive grants do not come easily. They take leadership, they take thoughtful process, and they take a lot of commitment on behalf of everyone to deliver these projects. And I'm so very happy that the John Bell Edwards administration has found a way to deliver this very important project and finish something that's long overdue. We know that this will affect the nation's economy, Louisiana's economy, and in light of the COVID pandemic, eventually put thousands of people to work in terms of their primary and secondary job creation related to this $135 million award. While that seems like a lot of money, this project is worth over $400 million of infrastructure investment in one of the rural areas of Louisiana down on the Gulf of Mexico. So we're so very excited, and I wanted to interrupt my vacation in time to tell you how proud I am to represent your state and the citizens of Louisiana to make a difference and to become one of the largest, if not the largest grant that was awarded in this round of INFRA grants. One last thank you goes to the President of the United States, as well as the Department of Transportation, because they created this program and they developed criteria that fits very much in line with what we are dealing with in Louisiana, but other states as well. And so their effort has been well received and much appreciated. So I'll give a big shout out to Secretary Chow and her entire team for doing a yeoman's job at sifting through hundreds of applications and finding one here in Louisiana that I believe and that they believe is going to make a huge difference. So on behalf of the Department of Transportation Development in the state of Louisiana, thank you to everyone who's been involved in this, and we look forward to coming to you very soon with a groundbreaking on this exciting project. Another win for Louisiana, and this makes our third INFRA grant and fifth or sixth in terms of competitive grants. So you have a lot to be proud of, Louisiana. God bless you, and I'm going to get back to my vacation.